Hello nail people, I'm Anastasia and today I will be doing a review of my favorite acrylic products. Recently I did a review on affordable gel lines and you guys asked me to do something similar but with acrylic lines. I'm working with acrylic for 14 years now. Wow, this is a lot, and honestly my very first class I ever took was acrylic sculpting. So I consider myself as a typical acrylic nail technician. Today I will gladly review the acrylic products that I prefer. Let's begin. First product is both good in quality and the price, Supernail Professional. They have liquid and also they have powders, and I really like Cover Cool Pink powder. This is a very nice cold nude, which is very good for one color application as well as for pink and white. The only disadvantage of this product is I would not recommend it for beginners, as I have to admit it's pretty fast, I mean the monomer, so it's pretty fast setting. So if you are just getting started, if you don't feel the product yet, it will be pretty fast for you and I would recommend to try something else. Next line is NSI. This is one of my favorite products and they have Attraction acrylic line, and my favorite color is Rose Blush. This is a cold nude color, and also they have Peach Blush, which is more like beige color and will work for warm skin tones, and this one is more for cool tones. These colors are very good both for one color application and for pink and white. Also they have a new line which is called Secrets. So they have a primerless liquid, so it doesn't require any primer, and it's good actually. I like it for designs, but for traditional nail sculpting, for pink and white, I still prefer the old line, which is Attraction monomer. And also it sets slightly slower than Supernail, so if you are a beginner and just getting started, I will definitely recommend to try this line. Another acrylic line that I like very much is Hand and Nail Harmony. And this is definitely one of the best acrylics for salon nails. There was a time in my life when I was looking at Hand and Nail Harmony as a product I'm going to use for my competitions. But for competitions there are different requirements than for salon work, and I ended up choosing another brand, but still it's very good, like I said, for salon work. Pure white is definitely one of the best whites to use. Clear is also very good. It's really super clear, as well as the Cover Pink and Translucent Pink. So I will definitely recommend this line both for beginners and professionals. And the line I've been working since the very start when they launched their product in 2007 is Entity, and this product was originally designed as the product for the competitions, and that's exactly what I used it for. So I really like their clear powder. This is super clear, and when I first tried this product I felt so weird because when I was filing it, it actually felt like I'm filing gel. So in case you don't know, gel is slightly softer than acrylic, and acrylic feels harder when you file it. And this was just a fact that I always knew. But when I tried original Entity line, I was like, oh my god, it is so soft. They have two kinds of monomer. One is Signature, the one that I use. This is from original line, and this is a fast setting monomer, my favorite. And another one is Success, which is a slower setting, which is very good if you're just getting started. But also that Success liquid, it contains more UV filters, so it makes white brighter, it makes clear more like cold clear, so it slightly changes the colors and make them pop even more. So I will definitely recommend this line if you're looking for something unique in acrylic. And like I said, Success monomer is good. Sometimes I use it for some inlay design when I really need the product to work longer, but usually it's just too slow for me, so I really prefer the original Signature liquid with a gray logo. And my favorite color is, I think it's Cool Pink. It's a really nice color, and clear powder is also very good. It's super clear, almost like a gel, And another great thing about this product is the consistency. Even if you did it a little bit wrong, even if you took too much monomer and consistency is too wet, the product will still work. And no, I'm not saying that you can neglect all the rules and, work how you want. No, you still have to follow the main rules. But even if you do not take this perfect proportion of monomer and powder, it will still adjust and allow you to work with the product. So this is something I will definitely recommend. Another acrylic I used to work for a few years and still like it is ONS, which is Odyssey Nail Systems. This product is developed by Trang Nguyen, who is a multi-time winner of international and world championship, and he also pays much attention to the competitions. And I really like the monomer, the white and clear powder, so this product is definitely one of the best. I also like their colors very much, but we are going to talk about color powders later. I think I need to do another review, probably separate review for colors, for glitters. So these are the lines I prefer most in acrylics. If I haven't mentioned the product that you like, maybe I just haven't tried it yet. And also there are many specific powders. Let's say I really like Absolute FX by OPI. This is a really fine, bright white powder, and I know that it is not right to use powder and monomer from different brands, but sometimes when you understand what you are doing, you can do it a little bit. So this OPI Absolute FX powder is just great for inlay designs, for doing backgrounds, because it's super white and it allows you to give this color with a super thin layer. But honestly, I never tried the whole line, I never tried their monomers, so I don't have opinion on the whole systems. And also I tried many different products, just one product from the whole system. So I still encourage you, when you're working with acrylic, to use the same powder and the same monomer from one brand, because this is the only way to know that everything is done properly, that the polymerization process will be finished completely and your client will not experience any allergic reactions or something. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what kind of acrylic lines do you use currently, what line do you like, or maybe you're looking for something new. And also let me know if you would like to get more reviews on the products. I'm planning to do sock-off gels, color powders, glitters, and maybe something else. Please share your ideas below. If this is your first time on my channel, consider subscribing, as I post nail art tutorials, tips and tricks, and product reviews just like this one every week. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye!